Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Yashaswi Kannadavaani. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Okay, so ನಿನ್ನೆ ಯಾವ ಲೆಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? Yesterday we did lesson 9 and we did few sentences, ಅಲ್ವಾ? I hope you are comfortable now with those sentences. Those are like introduction sentences. I hope you remember we did ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು, ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹೆಸರು, ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹೆಸರು, ಅಕ್ಕನ ಹೆಸರು, ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು. We also did ಇಷ್ಟ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಕು, ಬೇಡ, all those things, ಅಲ್ವಾ? You remember? Very good. Okay. So now we'll do the sentences today also. Even though it's a lesson 10, and today the sentences, it will sound like a story. It will sound like a story. And this sentence mostly it will be in a past tense. So as of now, don't worry about the grammar. Grammar beda. We'll just learn how to frame the sentences. Ashte. Okay na? Our first sentence is, you can write it down in English if needed. There was a village. So illi everywhere we will be using was. And we'll be using only objects or animals or birds. So idu moora use madadu. We won't be using the people here. Okay na? So there was a village. This is our first sentence. How do I translate this one and how do I write this? So first I'll say the sentence, write it down. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀರಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಒಂದು ಓ ಸೊನ್ನೆದು, ಒಂದು ಓ ಸೊನ್ನೆದು, ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹ ಲೀಗೆಳಾವತ್ತು, ಲೀಗೆಳಾವತ್ತು ಇತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಈ ತೂಗೆತಾವತ್ತು, ಈ ತೂಗೆತಾವತ್ತು. So this ittu, it always indicates that the sentence is in the past. There was a village, there was a mountain, ಒಂದು mountain ಇತ್ತು. There was a river, ಒಂದು river ಇತ್ತು. There was a dragon, ಒಂದು dragon ಇತ್ತು. There was a dinosaur, ಒಂದು dinosaur ಇತ್ತು. There was a dog, ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತು. So similarly you can change this. You can change this and put anything, even in English ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. Okay na? Remember, we are doing only, you cannot say ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗ ಇತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಬಾಯ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಗರ್ಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನೋ. ಒಂದು ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಇತ್ತು, ನೋ. ಒಂದು ವಿಮೆನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನೋ. We can't use for people. Okay na? We can use only for animal, birds and the objects. ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈಪಾಡ್ ಇತ್ತು, that is fine. But not for a people. Okay na? Good? You made a note? Very good. So this one I can also write it together. As of now, we will keep it simple. Okay, we'll go for the next one. ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, in the village. ಹ ಲೀಗೆಳಾವತ್ತು, ಯ ಲೀಗೆಳಾವತ್ತು, ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. See, ಲ. Your tongue tip has to chop up. ಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. In the village, ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, mountain ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So whenever you are using Kannada word, so these kind of letters will be introduced that we will understand slowly. So if you want to know grammar anta, there is a playlist, you can go and check there, but now don't worry. So just remember halliyalli, in the halli. If you don't know how do you write, you will write it village alli, village alli. That's it. Mountain alli, lake alli, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಫ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಓವನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು, ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಓ ಸೊನ್ನೆದು, ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಯಿ? ಡಾಗ್. ನಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಈ ತುಗೆತಾವತ್ತು, ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ what is the meaning? There was a dog in the village. There was a dog in the village. So if you are saying ಒಂದು pond ittu, you can say pond alli meenu is a fish. Meenu ittu. You can even write like that. Okay na? So we are learning the sentence as well as we are trying to frame a story. Ashte, together. Okay? Next one. Nayi, na-yi, biscuits. I'll write it down in English itself. Okay, biscuits. Tinditu. It ate. Dog ate biscuits. The dog ate biscuits. ನಾಯಿ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ತಿಂದಿತು. Okay, you can also say ಬೆಕ್ಕು. Okay, since we are ತಿಂದಿತ್ತು, anything ತಿಂದಿತ್ತು, eat. So it is not drinking. Okay, drink ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Drink will be ಕುಡಿಯಿತು. This is ಕುಡಿಯಿತು is a drink. ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯಿತು, ಬೆಕ್ಕು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯಿತು, ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿಯಿತು, anything like that. Okay, clear? Fine. We'll go for next sentence. ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡಾಗೆ ಡಾವತ್ತು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಿಗ್ ಮರ ಇತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರ ಇತ್ತು. There was a huge tree. ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರ ಇತ್ತು. There was a huge tree. You can say there was a huge mountain. There was a huge house. There was a huge building. Anything. Huge is a dodda. What is opposite of dodda? Opposite of dodda is very good. Chikka. It's a small. Opposite of dodda is chikka, which is small. Make a note of all these things in your vocabulary section, makla. Don't forget. Okay. Now, marada kelage. What is kelage? Marada. Marada ಕೆಳಗೆ, under the tree. ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ, ಕೆಳಗೆ, ಟಂಗಿ ಪಾಸ್ರೆ ಚಪ್ಪಪಾಲೆ. ಬೆಕ್ಕು, how do you write ಬೆಕ್ಕು? ಬೆಕ್ಕುಗೆ ಕಾವತ್ತು, ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಮಲಗಿತ್ತು, ಮಲಗಿತ್ತುಗೆ ತಾವತ್ತು, ಮಲಗಿತ್ತು. A cat was sleeping under the tree. Under is ಕೆಳಗೆ, ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ, under the tree. Cat, ಬೆಕ್ಕು, was sleeping, ಮಲಗಿತ್ತು. Okay, the main intention of this video is to write makla. Then you will understand slowly. Don't worry. Okay? Aita? So I'll erase the first sentence. We'll learn two more. Okay na? Fine? Very good. Okay. So now my next sentence is, write it down first. Manga or koti. So which means monkey. Manga or koti. Marada mele. Marada mele. On the tree. On the tree. This is under the tree. Marada kelage, under the tree. Marada mele, on the tree. Marada kelage, under the tree. Marada mele, on the tree. I'll write it easy down. Marada mele. It was sitting. It was sitting. What is sitting? Kulitittu. Kulitituge tavattu. Kulitittu. Was sleeping is malagittu. Now it is sitting. Kulitittu. Kulitittu. Tuge tavattu. Okay na? We'll go for next one. Write it down. Kage. Kage. Crow. Kage. Hari ಹೋಯಿತು. ಕಾಗೆ ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. A crow flew away. ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. It flew away. A crow flew away. ಕಾಗೆ ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. Very good. We'll go for the last sentence. Write it down. I'll say the sentence. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಂಗ or ಕೋತಿ. ಮಂಗ ಮರದಿಂದ, ಮರದಿಂದ, from the tree. ಜಿಗಿಯಿತು, ಜಿಗಿಯಿತು. Jiggy means to jump. Okay, so a monkey jumped from the tree. Maradinda, from the tree. Okay na? So what are the sentence we wrote first? The first sentence, Ondu halli ittu. There was a village. Halli is a new word. Write it down. Halli, and also with the meaning baribeku. Okay na? Halli with the meaning baribeku. Liಗೆ ಲಾಗತ್ತು. The next sentence, ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, in the village, ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾಯಿ is a dog. ನಾಯಿ means dog. Then we learnt ದೊಡ್ಡ, big, and chikka, small. Then we learnt tinditu, it ate. Kudiyitu, it drank. Then ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ, under the tree. ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ, on the tree. Then what did we learn? We learnt malagittu, it was sleeping. Kulitittu, it was sitting. Jigiyittu, it jumped. Hari hoyitu, it flew away. So these are the verbs. Verbs andre enu makla? Verbs andre action words. Whatever we do action, we write, we jump, we run, we walk, we write, we throw. So all these are action words. So in today's sentence, we learned the animal names, we learned the verbs, and also we learned how to write the sentence. And finally, it is kind of a story. Okay, now? I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so now today's your activity is, so instead of saying first sentence, Ondu halli ittu, instead of halli, you put something else. You have to try doing sentences on your own. So ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಇತ್ತು, remove ಹಳ್ಳಿ, add something. So ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇತ್ತು. So what do you want to write? Write it down. Okay na? So ಈ ಥರ frame the sentences and practice ಮಾಡಿ. Most importantly ಮಕ್ಕಳ, you have to comment. Comment section is like a practice section. It will help me to understand whether are you following the lessons or not. You can also ask me doubts and questions using the comment section. Parents, please help the children to use the comment section actively. You can type, but please Makla, be humble when you ask questions or when you have the doubts and all. Asking question is good, but you should not hurt anyone while asking the questions. Okay na? Humility tumba important Makla. Knowledge should always make us more grounded. Knowledge should not make us, yes, I know everything, I should shame that person anta irbardu. Okay na? So this is my humble request makla. So always ask question with humbleness. Be humble. Okay na? Even though sometimes we may not get answer, but fine, we should not hurt anyone alva. Okay, fine. So I'll meet everyone in tomorrow's lesson, 11th lesson. Tomorrow we have lesson because we missed lesson on Monday and Tuesday. So tomorrow you have lesson, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Sorry, my voice is, I'm not feeling that good. Practice maadi, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay na? And do not forget to share these videos with your friend. Thank you so much. Namaskar.